Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. This is the summary video for today's lesson. Check Science Class 3, Unit 3 lesson 3.5 Condensation. Learner book page number 42 and 43 from your activity book page number 27, your homework. First of all, learning objective, know that condensation occurs when a gas turns into a liquid and that it is the reverse of evaporation. Know that air contains water vapor, and when this meet a cold surface it may condense. Actually, condensation is opposite of evaporation. So let's start lesson 3.5, condensation. Last time we talked about evaporation, when we boil the water or liquid change into gas. A condensation is opposite of evaporation, and condensation, gas change into water or gas change into liquid. So let's start breathing onto a window pane or a mirror. Like this, you can see when she breathe out. Here you can see the mirror is a blur, so you cannot see clearly the picture. And also there are water drops. So breath onto a window pane or a mirror. What do you observe? You should see tiny drops of liquid on the mirror. Okay, tiny drops of liquid on the mirror. What are the drops made of? Why do they form? From where it's coming from? The air you breathe out is warmer. When you breathe out, you can observe the air warmer from inside get out. It contains water vapor. When the warm air touch the cooler or cool surface like the mirror, it cools down. Okay, this warmer cool down and change into droplet. If the surface is cold enough, the water vapor gas changes to drops of liquid water. This process is called condensation. It is the reverse of evaporation. It's the reverse of evaporation. Condensation happens because the particles of a gas lost energy when they get cooler, opposite of evaporation. This makes them slow down and move closer together from a liquid. You can see here there is a drink can with condensation on the outside. Actually, what happened if the inner surface or inside the temperature is cooler and the outside temperature is warmer. So you can see at that time the gas change into liquid and there are drops outside the can. There is an activity for understanding this. For this, you need two glass and clean with a towel. Wipes both of the glasses with a cloth. Okay. Then after this, one glass leave like this. No need to put anything, and the other one you put some ice. Okay, some pieces of ice. Leave the glasses for 10 minutes and then observe. Okay, in one glass you don't put anything, in the other one you put ice. Okay, or you can put in the one glass just normal water, and in the other one put ice, and then observe 10 to 15 minutes. Where were were either of the glasses wet on the outside at the start of the investigation? How did you make sure of this? Were either of the glasses wet? No, at the start we are cleaning, it's not possible the outer surface wet, so we write no. I wipe or I clean the outer surface or outside of the glasses with a cloth. So outer surface not wipes or not droplet. So were either of the glass wet on the outside at the end of the investigation? Yes, obviously. At the end of the investigation you can see the glass with ice. Where we put the ice, that one contain a droplet outside. Yes, the glass that contained the ice was wet on the outside. Where did the water come from and why? Water come from where? Where did the water come from and why? What happened? Actually, the water come from water vapor in the air. In the air, water vapor from the air that condense on the outside of the glass. Okay, condensation is the reverse of evaporation. Obviously, condensation is the reverse of evaporation. How we explain? In condensation, a gas change into liquid. Yes, obviously. In condensation, gas change into liquid. And evaporation, opposite. Liquid change into gas. Another activity, observing evaporation and condensation. Pour 100 milliliter of water into both glasses. Mark the water level on the outside of the glasses with the marker pen. A pen, okay, like this. You can see here. Cover the glass tightly with a piece of plastic wrap. It's okay. Yes, you can do it. This is an easy experiment. Leave both the glasses in warm place overnight and examine them the next day. Okay. What happened next day? Is the amount of water in the glass still the same? What do you think? No, not same. Because the amount of water in the glasses is not same. What's the reason? If a condensation occur, the water level get down. What do you observe in the covered glass that is different to the open glass? There are drops of water on the inside of the plastic wrap. Inside of the plastic wrap. Again, there are drops of water on the inside of the plastic wrap. Why? Because if a warmer water heat up, so the gas want to go out, but because of plastic it just stopped there, and then you can see some droplet on the plastic. We can do this experiment, okay, with the help of just take a glass, put warm water and put cover on it. So you can do easily these experiments. There are drops of water on the inside of the plastic wrap. How did you make this fair test? Easy. You put all the things with the proper amount. The same volume of water was in both glasses, and the glasses were put in the same place. Okay, there are some fill in the blanks. The water vapor from here, we choose the word and write here. The water is the open glass. Gain what? Heat. Gain heat and evaporation. The water is in the open air. Gain heat and evaporate. Because of evaporation, rain occur. To form what? To form water vapor. Heat, evaporate, and form water vapor. In the closed glass of water vapor, cooled and condensed. This has happened because of cool. Condensed to form what? Condensed to form water droplet. Water droplet. Okay, on the plastic cup. Okay, boys, take care. Page number 27, your homework. Complete page number 27. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.